Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your store. So let's get into it. First of all, sign into your Shopify admin. Click Online Store and choose the themes from the drop-down menu on the left-hand sidebar of your Shopify dashboard. Click on these three dots and then we have this option of Edit Default Theme Content. Select this one. Type in Powered by Shopify in the search bar. Go to Links under Checkout and System. Then use the space bar on your keyboard to type a single space, removing the Powered by Shopify faded text in the box. Doing so will leave your footer blank once your Shopify store goes live. Click Save at the top right corner of the screen. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.